kadhoad nam chumbi. Migepe mag arita kod mano mar teko gi mag udi oyangi kaka migepe ma tijgi ber kokalo Lipot moyangi kaka migepe osebedo katiyo. E nyasi ma otele kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e karumo ma KICC osingo mar bero chumi ma pachoka ka bende opoyo jotije piny owacho matiyo makare e chwalo tijegi.
A motivated human service resource remains core to performance management and service delivery. In order to promote productivity, innovation, and creativity in public service, youth and personnel living with disabilities require to be motivated. My office is developing a framework for an under 35 Employee of the Year annual award.
Public service is good for the economy of this country. A motivated and vibrant public service is good for the country. President Migepe, the celebrated president of this republic, succeeded in turning around the economy of this country by empowering the public service and allowing them to work.
From this month of April, all our fuel marketers and all the people in that space, they will be able to buy our products, fuel products, in Kenya shillings. And it will remove pressure on our dollars. In fact, in the next 1 month or so, you will see dollars coming down, the exchange rate coming down in a very phenomenal way. In fact, in my estimation, in the next couple of months, the dollars will come, the exchange rate will come below 120 shillings. Maybe 115, you never know.